I was very, very lucky in the sense that they gave me different options of treatment after surgery, and as I say, as I think I mentioned before, a few were not successful, and then I was successful with the clinical trial in 2017. Yeah.
So a few of those treatments, the early ones, were not successful. This clinical trial, a trial,
Yeah.
chances of it working, you didn't know what the chances were. At what point do you think, or at what point did you ever think, well, there's nothing to be done, the treatments are not working? And how do you get past that? Because you talk about hope, and I know it's your engine, hope.
Hope,
how do you keep that alive?
I never thought the one wouldn't work. I always had in mind that one would work, and I had to be prepared for it. Because mental strength has been the most important thing from what I've learned in my journey. Mental strength is absolutely important, vital. If you don't have that mental strength, it doesn't matter what treatment comes your way, what options come your way, they might not be as effective as they are. Though that I've been told by my consultants that was the success has been of my mental strength of keep going, and as I said, I never thought that a treatment would not work for me. I had in me that one treatment would actually work.
You're dedicating a lot of time of your life to raising awareness.
Mm-hmm.
What do you wish people understood better about pancreatic cancer?
That the symptoms are very, very difficult to detect by a GP, and also the person itself usually don't go to a GP because the symptoms are very easily confused with other normal day-to-day medical conditions. So that's the most difficult part, both for the person to go to the GP and for the GP to actually recognize his pancreatic. Get to know the symptoms, and if your body doesn't feel right, as it happened to me, they didn't know what it was, but I knew that something was wrong. I kept going back to the GP and kept on going back to the GP until I was finally diagnosed.
As part of the 10 years, I suppose you're closely being monitored. You're quite a singular case. You're a very unique case. So perhaps your experience helping medicine and science along the way?
Actually, yes. The global pharmaceutical sponsor, that's Roche, R-O-C-H-E. They took biopsies of me and blood tests to analyze why the clinical trial worked for me and not for others. And I know from consultants that when they do conferences that my name is mentioned. So hopefully, I don't know if they will be able to find out something that whatever worked for me that could obviously be good for medicine in general. Yeah.